Hola amigos y bienvenidos al canal. Me llamo Nuria y soy tu profesora de español. Hello my friends and welcome to the channel. My name is Nuria and I am your Spanish teacher. In the past few videos in the channel, in the last month or so, we have seen the differences between bien and bueno. And today I have a video showcasing some of the expressions or short sentences with bien and bueno that you can learn and are commonly used in Spain. Me gustaría hacer un inciso. I would like to make a caveat that this is Spanish from Spain because I am from Spain. So let's go into the video. The first expression that I have for you is llevarse bien. Llevarse is a reflexive verb, so instead of saying yo llevo bien, we're going to use me, te, se, and so on. So, me llevo bien con. I get on well with. For example, me llevo bien con María. I get on well with María. Expression number 2 is hacerlo bien, to do it well. So, hacerlo bien. For example, I always want to do well. Siempre quiero hacerlo bien. Another sentence that we have is estar bien visto. Estar bien visto means to be socially accepted or well regarded. Estar bien visto. So, for example, it's not socially acceptable to be late. No está bien visto llegar tarde. And another expression that we have with bien is sentirse bien, to feel good. For example, do you feel well? ¿Te sientes bien? Now, let's have a look at some of them with bueno. Number 1 is ser bueno en algo, to be good at something. For example, Pedro es bueno en matemáticas. So Pedro is good with maths. One personal favorite is tener buena pinta. And this can have two meanings. So tener buena pinta for a food is that it looks good, it looks appealing. And if you say it with a different tone, it can be... And when you're being kind of a naughty one, is using my family like, qué buena pinta tienes. Like, it's just a thing you say when they're being annoying or they're doing something that, you know, it should be doing. But tener buena pinta for food is it looks good or it looks very appealing. You can also use it for a restaurant or a bar that you see, and you can say to your friend, oh, ese bar tiene muy buena pinta. That bar looks really good. Another expression that we commonly use is estar de buenas or ir de buenas, voy de buenas, estoy de buenas. Ir de buenas or estar de buenas means to be in a good mood, basically. I'm coming here in peace, vengo de buenas, voy de buenas, estoy de buenas. Whichever way you want to use it, they're all accepted. Another one that I have is estar bueno, which can have two meanings, okay? So if you're describing a person, estar bueno means like they're attractive or they're fit. Or estar bueno for food means that it is delicious. Está muy bueno. Este pastel está muy bueno. And to end this video, I have one more with bueno, which is bueno es saberlo. Good to know. Bueno es saberlo. Now, there is a difference on one of the sentences that we say in Spain that they would say it way basically in South American countries. For example, qué bien que viniste, how nice you came. In South America, they're going to use bueno, qué bueno que viniste. This expression, to my understanding, is common in Mexico, Colombia, Venezuela, and perhaps a few others. If you're from that area, let me know in the comments. I have no idea. But in Spanish from Spain, qué bien que viniste, how nice you came. Now, if you like to see more videos like this one, give me a thumbs up into the video and subscribe to the channel. and let me know in the comments if you want me to make different kinds of videos. I'll make note of it and I'll try to accommodate as much as possible. So thank you very much for watching me, and I will see you on the next one. Hasta pronto!